Chris, Ryan, SVT Garage, and we are working on the Oxford car. If you guys saw on the channel, I don't know, a couple days ago, maybe what, 5, something like that?
Yeah.
Less than a week. Clutch cable broke on Danny's car, and we are throwing that on today for him. He's at work, so we shot over to his house.
He told me since we're doing this, he would trade me the 18 reps I got for these 30-bolt CCWs.
So we're gonna take the wheels off, Danny, and we got the reps in Ryan's Jeep, and we're gonna switch the wheels out, so don't worry about it.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
The 30 bolts are coming with us, buddy.
The red car would be very happy.
Yeah, we're everybody's gonna be happy. Yeah. Everybody.
You got the reps you want.
Yeah,
the red car's got the wheels.
And now you get a new clutch cable. It's a win-win. Anyways, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we found, what was broken, and kind of like a temporary fix, and we'll get into that real quick. So, clutch cable snapped right there at the basically at the pedal, right, Ryan? Quadrant pedal.
Yeah.
All right there. We have this guy. This isn't the one that we wanted. We did say we wanted OEM, and this is the UPR one, correct?
Yeah.
So for now,
that's the CJ Pony Parts one.
Oh, CJ Pony Parts. Okay, so for now we're gonna use this one, see how it works. He is still looking for an OEM. It just doesn't make much sense for the car to technically be down because of that. When these are, how much was this thing? Less than $100 bucks?
Yeah, I think like 50 bucks.
Yeah, so 50, 60 bucks. And we get the car back on the road. Again, the OEM one is the way to go. Problem is just finding one. We're gonna go in, get underneath this thing, start taking some stuff off.
No quick jacks. Sucks.
Yeah, this is like I feel like I'm working in a cave, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna get under here, get this unbolted, get the old cable out, and you guys stay tuned. All right, guys, just a quick update here, or how-to, what do you want to call it? If you have an adjustable firewall adjuster, these cables come with, basically, this is what bolts up into the firewall. You have to remove this to get that in through the firewall adjuster. So we're kind of limited on tools here at Derek's house because, again, we're out of our element. So we're just going to work on getting that off a little bit by little bit. And then, like I said, if you have, you can see it down there, the firewall adjuster, that piece has to be removed. So that's what's, even if you have an OEM one, you still have to remove that adapter piece. So we'll get working on this and keep you guys all updated. All right, guys, quick update. It probably took longer just because, again, we were using what, you know, he had here at his house for tools, which is really nothing. It took longer to get that bracket off, this plastic rubber piece off, than it was to get it back in the car. I'm going to show you guys just a real quick how-to. We fed it into the firewall first and got it on the pedal. We had it routed down here where it goes. Yeah, they're out of the way. And then essentially it just it routes in between where the oil filter is. You'll see up there by the control arm, it goes back, and then it just clips into the transmission. You will need a pry bar to get that other end of the cable on there. But it would you say 5 minutes for that? It literally took longer to do that than get it back on the car. So we're just gonna go ahead and do a quick test and see how that pedal feels, see if it needs any adjusting.
We're gonna take it around the neighborhood.
Oh, for sure, we're gonna drive it.
See how much goose this thing makes.
Yeah. How's that feel? Good?
Feels good.
Is it normal, stiff Cobra clutch? Yeah? Cool. All right, well, we have to test drive it.
Where are the keys? Oh, we have to. I don't want to send it. I don't want to tell him it's fine, and then he goes to drive it.
We're going to find the keys.
The Enclave.
Because they're hidden here somewhere. And we'll get this thing on the road.
He's gonna
we're on the road, and how's it feel?
Feels good.
Feels good. Again, guys, this is a quick kind of.
It's a high, the engagement point's high, but I think it's an RXT like my car has, which is a high engagement point.
Yeah. So to us right now, it seems normal, feels normal. We're just gonna rip around the neighborhood a couple times, and just make sure it's good because he's going to a car show on. You said Saturday, right?
I think that's what he said.
Yeah, I think he's gonna go to. It's a big show too, so he's got a long drive ahead of him. I think it's about an hour and 20 minutes from here. If anybody's going to the Enclave out there in Tampa, really awesome show. They do great cars and coffee. You get to park on the racetrack, and we just want to make sure that this is on point for him, so he's not going to have to get all the way out there and then, you know, essentially get stuck. So, Derek, I think you're good, my dude. Ryan, good job, brother. Car sounds good, feels good. And we just got yelled at for test driving the car. She said it's not a raceway. I mean, I don't think we're doing anything crazy. No, we just get yelled at for everything. Everybody hates us. Everybody hates us. Anyways, guys, it's Chris, SVT Garage. That didn't sound good. Check out the build here, not the build. Check out the car here, and let us know what you think. But it's Chris, it's Ryan, SVT Garage. We'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, guys, we're done. This was a really simple install. If this happens to you, you break a clutch cable, we came to his house with just a socket set. And we improvised with some of the tools he had here. We just used some pliers, some snips, just to get that that grommet off of there. And that was it. Simply just feed the cable through. On the install, put it on the pedal first, finish feeding it through, and then put it down there on the transmission last, because it's easier to do it that way than it is the other way. If you try to put it on the transmission first, it's going to be a pain in the butt to get it.
Oh yeah, up in the car.
Yeah, on the pedal second. So do the pedal first, transmission second, because you can use a pry bar and push in that that fork. But again, guys, it's Chris, it's Ryan, SVT Garage. This was just a real quick, simple, just getting a friend's car back on the road video. So nothing major here. We appreciate every one of you guys, even the comments that aren't the best. We gotta go work on our houses because we're broke firemen. I guess it is what it is. We can't please everybody. But like, follow, subscribe, guys. Keep the comments coming. We appreciate doing the work and you guys following along and, you know, chiming in. So we'll catch you on the next one. And anything else, dude?
That's it.
I think that's it, man. It's Chris, it's Ryan, SVT Garage.